tender chicken. What say you?
I am just waiting for the surprise.
Alright.
Got me.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, look at the steaks.
Oh. Oops.
Oh man.
Oh. You know what this is called, right? I think you should ask Treasure. No, it's like a kitchen view. Or the method of plating is this?
No, it's literally just making a circle of sauce.
So smart.
Yeah.
This is what they do.
Wow.
Okay, minimal oil was used in this process. So.
Look at that color. Why do you put that in ice? That's very interesting.
You know why? Because, okay, you say.
Hey, this is Gerald's kitchen or what, Sam's?
Because, right, if you see spring onion, they are like just vertically built.
Okay.
But you want that curl. So what do you do? It's physics and chemistry like together, right? So the difference of temperature actually
Make it curl up.
Yes.
Wow.
And voila.
Wow, interesting.
Is that right, Chef Jared?
Yeah.
Maybe he did some research before he came in.
I think he's trying to get a second invite.
Yeah.
Go Julia.
Trying too hard. Itadakimasu.
Yeah.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
This is the second dish, which is an air fried chicken. And the base sauce is just roasted tomatoes and beetroot. Yeah, and that's all. Yeah, super low calorie.
So tell us one thing that we should expect when we dig into this.
Okay, the chicken should be super moist.
Okay.
And the sauce should be a bit sweet.
Okay.
Yeah. And so hopefully like the contrast with the crunch, the sauce, everything tastes good
Alright.
together.
Alright.
Okay, go for it.
Chef.
Alright,
Ready
so
to
we'll
apply it.
appearance wise. For the appearance.
Alright, appearance.
10 out of 10, very good.
Wow,
Green,
wow.
red, all different colors.
Yes.
Yeah, harmony.
Yes, I would say 10 out of 10, except the burns. But 10 out of 10 for like presentation wise, it looks really appetizing, a lot of effort and care into it.
Actually, you don't realize there's black.
Yeah, you can't really tell that. I mean, we only know because they came right out next to us.
Once again, like what I mentioned, caramelize is the word, by the way, guys. And again, 10 out of 10 as well. I like the contrast in colors. Like there's reddish, there's greenish, and also like chicken and a bit of the black parts.
People think it's rigged.
No, we are real.
Very good.
We have given very real
Yes,
sauce.
so I can't wait to dig in.
Okay,
Once again, thanks a lot, Chef.
Alright,
Jared.
itadakimasu.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm tasting here the sauce. Very freshy taste. Oh wow! Wow! Wow!
Wow.
Like okay, green meat has this really extremely weird taste, but this has just mellowed down with what do you put in? Salt,
Roasted tomatoes.
roasted. Oh, that's what it is.
I actually marinated chicken over.
Oh,
Yeah.
dry brine.
No, like a wet, like a marinade. Marinade. If it's like fresh out air fryer, right? It's
I think it'd be nicer, yeah. No, I mean the fact that it's out for a while and it still
Sitting.
tastes good is very good. Yeah.
But you normally don't eat beetroot.
I love beetroot.
I don't only eat
I
beetroot
love
too.
beetroot. Oh, so you must have been like, ooh. Yeah, that's why I said ooh, beetroot.
Yeah.
That is.
You know what? Wait.
Like,
You know what?
not fried chicken.
Appearance wise, that was 10 out of 10 for sure. The chicken is really, really delicious. I can just eat it by itself. So is the sauce. Separately, they're all 10 out of 10. As a dish, 9.5 out of 10. Because I can't see how the spring onion goes with the entire dish.
This answer
It's a garnish, by the way.
No, every garnish is very important as a chef Anse from
Wow.
Culinary Wars.
Oh, okay, Chef Emma.
Everything must have a purpose. Actually, I can't really taste the onion, so I don't know where it was placed. I don't see the functionality of it in the dish.
Yeah.
But I would just eat the sauce by itself, and I would just eat the chicken by itself, or I can just eat both by themselves. So really well done.
I had all three together. I think the combo is really good. But when I took my first bite, I felt it's a bit too salty. Yeah, I think it'll be great. Yeah, so I'll give 9 out of 10.
I would honestly, first and foremost, I really love the dish, by the way. I reckon I would give a 9.5 out of 10. I really love the sauce as well. It's really mild, but it gives a kick. And the chicken was super tender. And I really like the spring onions. Maybe a bit more spring onions would be better. But I think like I was finding for something more like something contrast. Like you know, like a mint drop or something to give you that punch. But something to just open up your palate. Like, whoa. But I think overall the dish was really nice. Super duper hearty. Feels like an Italian dish for me. I never knew that I would like beetroot, but this was like a no-brainer for me.
I think I will eat this with a pasta.
Oh
yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
100%.
Which do you prefer, first or second dish?
First for me.
Both also very good actually. Very hard to because they're different dish. Yeah, so I'm not gonna answer that. No.
Yeah lah, it's true because the first one is not like it's savory but not so savory, but this is like savory all the way.
That's true.
Okay, I mean if I can choose one to eat the entire week, probably the beef salad.
Actually quite good because a lot of people don't take beetroot, but because when my dad had cancer, they actually advised him to take beetroot because beetroot has some, I forgot lah, because we try to eat colourful food compared to just one colour food.
Wow.
Yeah, so your food has been colourful all the way, so which is very balanced, which is very good that all of us should be eating, but a lot of time we just eat yellow, which is carbs, you know?
Yellow and brown.
Yeah.
Right, Emma?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
That's interesting because it lowers down the stamina of a person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
Because golfing they travel a lot, so they need the stamina.
It's quite crazy for us to hear it.
No chicken, no fries, especially the skin.
Is it because of fried food? Is it because it's fried?